Hi, my name is Jake Thiessen. I'm the Health and Safety Coordinator for Arnes Welding Ltd. We are the manufacturers of heavy gravel hauling trailer equipment for the construction industry. I was not initially involved with our Safe Work certification process. I have been here 2 years now and have taken over and got us recertified. The process has been quite rewarding and very challenging. I did come here with a very good foundation, and we've managed to build upon that. We've got some great support from management and the ownership. They take the health and safety of their individuals seriously, which does make it a whole lot easier to get things done. We still have a long ways to go, but we are one step at a time getting there.
Hi, my name is Mike Bell. I'm a paint supervisor here at Arnes Welding. We've been in a transition for the last little while to get back to better safety practices and making sure that the guys are going home and seeing their families and feeling well and being able to attend. You have to remind yourself that you also have to wear your safety glasses, you also have to wear your earplugs, you also have to wear your masks and take care of the PPE and things like that. So as we're doing that, reminding our employees and our managers and ourselves to do that, this has been, it's been a challenge, but not a bad one.
As far as our certification and recertification journey has gone, I came here without having any auditing experience. The folks at Made Safe, they came by, they walked me through the initial maintenance audit, got me the experience necessary so I can now carry things forward. If you're looking towards safe certification for your own companies, reach out to Made Safe or other industry-based safety partners, and they will be more than happy to walk you through the entire process and get you to where you need to be.
If you or your organization would like additional information on becoming Safe Work certified, please reach out to us at Made Safe. We're here to help.